Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to connect FxPro to MT5, MetaTrader 5. And for this, right now, we need to create an account. So what we're gonna do is we click here on demo accounts or real accounts to create an account. So we will do this real quick. So create account, select this FxPro Raw Plus demo, select right here the MetaTrader 5. That is the most important part to create your account. And then we do continue with Raw Plus. Then right here select the currency. So we will do US dollar. And then we click on the leverage. Let's do 1 to 30. And then from here we select a nice balance of 100K. Then we click on hedging, do create demo account. And right now we created our demo account. So if we go down, here is our demo account. Then right now, if you want to trade, we click here on trade. And then from now, what we need to do is we click here on MetaTrader 5. So right now we can click here on the setup. So right now he's showing us this, then we click on next. And then now he's downloading the MetaTrader 5 64-bit for our PC. So in a few seconds, the download is done. And then we can click right here on finish. There's the MQL5. Then we select right here next. And now we click here on connect with an existing trade account. Then from now you need to go to your email account, because once we created our account, they sent a login password and server ID to our email address. So yeah, it looks like this. I will show you real quick. There it is in our email address. So this is the password and the login. So make sure that you will use that login and that password. So we do a copy right there and paste it right here. And then we copy the password and paste it also right there. Then we click now on finish. And there it is. So now we just logged in with our FxPro account on MetaTrader 5. This is how you can connect your FxPro with MetaTrader 5. Hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.